Alright, 4K video of my Bryan Sleaze collection. All this custom made by Bryan, except the buttons and the stickers. And the sheath, he won't make you that either. But the other stuff, he'll at least try to make you something like it, if he still has it. Like, I don't know if he's got too many of these around. That's a titanium pick he sent me, I don't know, 8 months ago, 9 months ago. Coffin nail from the last video. This thing is amazing. Not for throwing. And of course, this is what he's kind of famous for, the pool ball spike. Like, this thing's amazing. I got the titanium one. Custom Santita. He redid all the empowerments, he painted it, he made it look good. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. Looking good, Mom. Anyway. So he makes the dice spike. We get a lot of questions about these. This is just a simple garrote. And you can never, not have a garrote with you. And then we got 3 coffin nails. Standard coffin nail, you can pretty much put on your altar, use for anything. All copper. And then a metal wrapped. And that's for electrical play, which we'll probably get into in another video. And then custom pop knife, can't get that one anymore, but you can still get this one. Wrapped by the man himself. Anyway, just figured I'd do a quick little video. Show off my collection a little bit. And I don't know, needed something to put up on the channel.